Welcome to my channel. Netgear Orbi Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6 Setup. Step 1. Unboxing and Hardware Setup. Unbox the Orbi system. Take out the Orbi router and satellite units from the box along with their power adapters. Position the Orbi router in a central location within your home or office, preferably elevated and away from obstacles that could block the Wi-Fi signal. Step 2. Connecting to your modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the Orbi router's WAN port to your modem's LAN port. Turn on your modem and wait for it to establish a connection with your ISP. Step 3. Initial configuration. Download and install the Orbi app on your smartphone or tablet. You can set up the Orbi system through a web browser on your computer. Step 4. Wi-Fi network configuration. During setup, you'll set up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security. Step 5. Placement optimization. Use the Orbi app or web interface to check Wi-Fi signal strength and optimize the placement of satellite units if necessary. Step 6. Firmware update. After setting up your Orbi system, check for firmware updates through the Orbi app or web interface. Thank you for watching.